Welcome to another Bev and Ryan travel video. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most underrated luxury resorts in the Las Vegas area, the M Resort Spa Casino. This is an especially great time to visit because the resort just unveiled a brand new hotel tower, adding hundreds of modern rooms, along with a refurbished casino floor, expanded convention space, and even a new Emerald Lagasse restaurant set to open in 2026. When we arrived, we were pleasantly surprised to find that both self-parking and valet are completely complimentary, a refreshing change from the pricey parking fees you'll find on the main strip. As soon as we stepped inside, we were greeted by the beautiful holiday decor that instantly made the resort feel warm and festive. The lobby has a modern, airy design with a relaxed atmosphere, and since the M Resort sits just south of the Las Vegas Strip, you still get all the luxury gaming excitement, but without the non-stop noise and crowds. And if you didn't know, this resort is the official hotel of the Las Vegas Raiders, so you'll find plenty of Raider gear spread across the property. Check-in was smooth and quick, and before you know it, we were on our way to our room located in the new tower, which is open on December 1st, 2025. On a typical weekend, rates average around $250 a night, though prices can climb higher during major events. Let's check out room 8208. This is the new tower at the M Casino and Resort. And we're in a modern Mountain View 2-queen room, so let's check it out. So they just opened up this tower December 1st, which was a couple days ago, so let's see what they have. So on the right side, we have this huge sliding door that opens up to the spacious bathroom, which has a single sink and this large backlit mirror. And what products do they use here? This is the products to use, and they got soap right there, towels below. Where's the hair dryer? Hair dryer is on this side, right here, and the safe is above. Storage shelf right there, and your standard toilet. Check that out. And I really like this walk-in shower they have here. It's pretty spacious. Let's open it up. So it has a bench right there where you can sit down and relax while you're taking a shower. And they use Pure Products by Gloss. So there's the shower right there. Very nice. Now let's step outside. They have this full body mirror right in front of this closet. It's just your standard closet, nothing too big. So we have your iron and ironing board below, a bunch of hangers, and we already have all our luggage in there. Let's close that up. And here are the 2 queen beds. Let's see what it feels like. So these are new beds, so they feel really good, nice, soft and plush. And on this side, we have this little seating area. Some glasses right here. They do provide 2 bottled waters and a small fridge below, which is nice because it's not filled with overpriced junk. So some more storage drawers right there, an office desk, and this big screen TV. And they have some outlets here to plug your computer in and your phone. So they have the USB-C and USB-A. And they provided us with this lip balm. That's pretty cool. And a welcome card. And there's some more plugs on this lamp right here. So if you have a bunch of devices, you can plug them all in right there. And let's see what's at this table between the beds. So some more plugs for your devices, some more storage drawers, and check out that art piece above the headboard. That looks pretty cool. A seating area for 1 with a small table, and check out our mountain view here. Looks very peaceful out there. Nice and clear day here in Las Vegas. So what do you guys think of this room at the new tower at the M Casino? Let us know in the comment section below. The casino floor here is surprisingly large for an off-strip resort, with over 90,000 square feet of gaming. You'll find everything from the latest slots to blackjack, craps, and a great sportsbook setup. Before you start playing, sign up for a player's card at the cashier. It's free, and we receive $25 free play credit and a $20 dining credit, a nice bonus to start off our weekend. Now let's check out the restaurants M Resort has to offer. Anthony's Prime Steak and Seafood is the upscale choice, known for premium steaks, fresh seafood, and its famous $99 Sunday brunch, featuring all-you-can-eat lobster tails. Right next door, Marinelli serves classic Italian dishes in a cozy setting. For something quick and convenient, Vig Deli offers sandwiches, pizza, salads, and wraps. Baby Cakes Artisan Bakery is the go-to for 24/7 pastries, desserts, and grab-and-go snacks. Raiders Tavern and Grill delivers a fun sports bar atmosphere with comfort food, tons of HD TVs, and Raiders decor. Most items run around $20, and we enjoyed the bulgogi burger and baked rigatoni, both great for a fast, satisfying meal. Up on the 16th floor, Jayde at 16 serves Asian-infused favorites with great views and a stylish vibe. We shared the crab fried rice, which cost $28, and it was more than enough for the two of us. There's also a convenient gift shop stocked with snacks, essentials, souvenirs, M Resort merchandise, and plenty of Raiders gear, perfect for grabbing anything you need without leaving the property. The resort features a variety of bars and lounges to suit every mood. Nighttime Hockey Bar is perfect for sports fans, with plenty of HD TVs, casual bar bites, and a lively game day atmosphere. For a more relaxed upscale experience, View Bar offers sleek decor, comfortable seating, and expertly crafted cocktails in a quieter setting. M Bar, located in the heart of the casino, is energetic and convenient, ideal for a quick drink or small bites between games. Finally, Amped delivers a high-energy nightlife vibe with music, creative cocktails, and a vibrant crowd perfect for late-night socializing or special events. The pool area at the resort is one of its best features. Tons of space, resort-style loungers, private cabanas, and a seasonal pool club if you want more of a party vibe. During the summer, the resort even hosts outdoor concerts here, which has become a really popular activity for both locals and visitors. Right next to the pool is Patio, a relaxed open-air space that's perfect for unwinding, dining, or enjoying a drink with a view. It's a great spot for a casual meal, sunset cocktails, or simply stepping away from the casino floor for a quieter, more refreshing break. Spa Mio, located on the bottom floor, offers massages, facials, a salon, and a modern fitness center with all the equipment you need to get a good workout while staying here. With its recent expansion, the resort now features even more versatile options for events of any size. Inside, you'll find elegant ballrooms and flexible meeting rooms equipped with updated technology for conferences, banquets, and corporate events. Outdoors, the pool deck, terraces, and landscaped areas provide stylish open-air settings ideal for weddings, receptions, and private parties. Overall, the M Resort is a true hidden gem in the Vegas area, especially with the addition of the brand new tower. It delivers a luxury experience at a great value, with spacious modern rooms, free parking, impressive amenities, and a much calmer atmosphere compared to the Strip. The only drawback is that it's about a 15-minute drive from the main Strip, but if you're looking for a relaxing getaway with easy access to Vegas without the chaos, this place is perfect. We really enjoyed our stay and would definitely come back for another peaceful escape. So, what do you think of this resort? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this full tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next hotel tour. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next adventure.